Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're in a new location. We're in the bathroom today because I have a bunch of new skincare items, so I figured we could do a skincare try on. So it's in the morning, I'm gonna head out soon, so I figured let's try some new products so we can have glowy skin for the day. So this video I actually partnered with the Skinstore. So I have a box full of goodies here that I chose. So I have a good amount of products for us to actually, do a whole skincare from wash, mask, all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the products that I have first. The first thing we have here is a mask. This is a Caudalie mask, and this is the instant detox mask. So it just looks like this. Next, I have another Caudalie product, and this is the instant foaming cleanser. I was in need of another just everyday cleanser, so I figured this one would be good. It's good for all skin types, so we'll see how this works out. Then next I have a Murad City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is a sunscreen. I don't actually own a sunscreen, so I'm hoping this one works out for me and doesn't leave like a white cast on my skin. So I got this one from Murad. Next I have a face oil. So this one is by Riley. So this is the Juno antioxidant and superfood face oil, and it's 100% pure plant extracts. This had really good reviews online, so I ended up getting the small one. This is a 15 milliliter one. They had a really big one, like 5 ounces, and I was like, what if I don't like it? I don't want to get the really big one. So this is a really good size for just trying it out, and you get a good amount of product in here. So I'm really excited to try this oil. And then next I have another Murad product, and this is Rapid Collagen Infusion for lips. And this is supposed to help reduce the appearance of vertical lines and wrinkles. I do feel like I have wrinkles in my lips, so I hope this works, so my lips will look just more plump and not wrinkly, especially when they're dry. So yeah, I got this product. And then next I re-upped on the Beautyblender cleanser, and this is the solid. I absolutely love this stuff. It works so good. Let me show y'all. Let me show you my old one. Look, it's hitting pan, so I needed a new one. I love this to clean my beauty blender. I've tried almost every soap, even face wash, and nothing gets the makeup out really good like this does. So I had to re-up. And then while I was at it, I got another beauty blender. This is the electric violet one, so it's just purple. I just love beauty blenders for putting on my makeup, and they're just a staple for me. So the last item is not for the skin, it's actually for your hair. So this is the Alterna Bamboo Smooth Candy Oil Dry Oil Mist, and this is supposed to help control frizz, and it's for medium hair types. And I love dry oils for my hair, so I figured I'd try something new, and this one looks bomb. So, ooh, got in my eye. So yeah, ooh, it smells really good. So I'm really about to slather this on my hair. So yeah, we're gonna see how I like this, especially when I straighten my hair, because I love when my hair has like a really nice sheen to it, but I don't want to put anything on my hair that'll make it heavy. So this had really good reviews online as well, so I thought I'd get it and try it out. It smells really good. So yeah, that's all the items that I got from the Skinstore. So now is the fun part. Now we're gonna try these items out. So first I'm gonna go in with this mask, and I have this little Sigma foundation brush that I actually use when I apply my mask. So we're just gonna put this on our little brush, and we're gonna put this mask on our face. So it says, what does it say? What's the directions? Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. So we're gonna leave this on for 6 minutes until it dries. We're gonna leave this on until it dries, and then we're gonna wash it off. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes. So we're back. It's been about 10 minutes instead of 5. So this mask is tight. Let me back up. My face is tight. It's tight. Okay, this mask is tight. So you can see it must have been oily around my nose, cause like you can see, look, it's so weird. So yeah, I'm gonna rinse this mask off, and then I'm gonna wash my face with the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser. Okay, so our skin is all washed. I'm gonna go in with a paper towel to dry my skin, because I don't like using like rags or towels on my face, because I just feel like they harbor so much bacteria, and you know, then you wash them and it's like full of like clothes detergent, and I don't want gain on my face. So I'm just using a good old Bounty paper towel that absorbs all the water, and it just leaves you real nice and clean. So our face is clean, honey. Our face is clean. Okay. The next step would be our SPF. Shake well and apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. We're not gonna do all that. We're just gonna put this on our face. So I'm gonna shake this up. It's a little squeezy. It's a little squeezy. So, ooh, let's just put a little bit on our face. That should be good to cover our whole face. It's cute and little. It's so little. We need some on our forehead. Okay, so our sunscreen is on. It feels good. It doesn't really feel like anything is on my face. So yeah, we're good on that. And then we're gonna go in with our antioxidant superfood face oil. You can also use this on your nails, your cuticles, the dry ends of your hair. Wow. I don't know, this just had really, really good reviews, so I know this is gonna give me like a bomb glow. So we're just gonna add a few squirts on our face and rub her in. Ooh, yeah, she's glowing, honey. It smells like a better version of like avocado oil or something. And I'm just gonna wipe my hands. So yeah. So I'm gonna go in with this Rapid Collagen for the lips. Smooth a thin layer over lips and lip area. You can use it under lipstick, gloss, or balm. And this has hyaluronic acid and collagen amino acids to help reduce the appearance of vertical lines and wrinkles while making lips look plumper and fuller. So we're going to put some of this on. It comes out just like this. It's wet. It's wet. It's like a wet feeling. Smooth a thin layer over lips and lip area. And then that's it, I guess. Is there a time frame for something to happen? Ooh. Don't get it in your mouth. Okay. I don't know if I see anything happening, but we're gonna try it out and see how we like her. But other than that, I feel like my skin looks amazing. So yeah, I have a link for the Skinstore in my description box, as well as some coupon codes and some fun deals they're having. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just make sure to check the description box. I also have a link for all the items that I have for you to check out as well. And yeah, thanks so much to Skinstore for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.